আসসালামু আলাইকুম গায়াস, আজকে আমরা একটা নতুন টপিক নিয়ে কথা বলবো, সেটা হচ্ছে রেস্টুরেন্ট টপিক। তো আপনারা অনেকে রেস্টুরেন্টে যান কিন্তু রেস্টুরেন্ট টপিক নিয়ে কথা বলতে পারেন না। তো আজকে রেস্টুরেন্ট নিয়ে কীভাবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলে, রেস্টুরেন্টে যাওয়ার পরে বা রেস্টুরেন্টে কি আপনি কী করেন সেটা ইংরেজিতে কীভাবে কথা বলে সম্পূর্ণ আজকে আমি আরিফ ভাইয়ের সাথে কথা বলবো। সো যদি রেস্টুরেন্ট টপিক নিয়ে আপনি কথা বলতে না পারেন, আমি আশা করি এই ভিডিওটা সম্পূর্ণ দেখার পর আপনি অবশ্যই রেস্টুরেন্ট টপিক নিয়ে কথা বলতে পারবেন। সো আরিফ ভাই, আপনি তো প্রায় রেস্টুরেন্টে যান।
Yes.
সো রেস্টুরেন্ট বিষয়ে আপনাকে কিছু কোশ্চেন করব, আপনি আনসারগুলো দিবেন।
Yeah, definitely. Why not?
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. What is the name of your favorite restaurant?
Yeah. When I used to live in my hometown,
Yes.
that time my favorite restaurant was Holy Place. But nowadays I live in Dhaka city. So here my favorite restaurant is BFC.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
Where is it located? Where is it located?
Yeah. I understand.
Okay.
When I used to live in my hometown, that time I liked that restaurant. It
Okay.
was Holy Place, and it was located beside the Muktagasa Purushabha.
Okay.
But nowadays, you know,
Yes, I
I'm
know.
living in Dhaka city.
Okay.
So here my favorite restaurant is BFC.
BFC.
So it is
Okay.
located beside the new market.
Yeah, I know. Okay. How many time do you go there? How many time do you go there?
How many times
Yeah.
do I go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I get free times, I go there for spending my time.
Okay.
So at least I go there. I go that restaurant one time in a month. At least one time in a
One
month.
time in a month.
In a month,
Okay.
I try to go there.
Okay. Next হচ্ছে, why do you go there? Why do you go there?
Yeah, this is a very good question for
Yeah,
me.
definitely.
Actually, when I go there, sometimes I go there for doing party with my friends.
Party? Okay.
And sometimes I go there for spending free times with my girlfriend.
Okay. You have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I have a girlfriend.
Okay.
Sometimes I go there for spending my free time.
Okay, it's okay, I understand.
Yeah. And sometimes I go there for doing meeting. Yeah.
Okay. Next হচ্ছে, how do you go there?
Yeah, you know it very well.
Yeah.
I live in Dhaka city right now, and from my house the restaurant is so far. So that's why I go there by rickshaw. Most of the time I go there by rickshaw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next হচ্ছে, with whom do you go there? With whom do you go there?
Yeah, I go there most of the time with my friends. Ariful Islam.
Yeah.
Ariful Islam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the guy.
Yeah.
This is the guy. And sometimes I go there with my brother. And when I get free times, I try to spend their time with my girlfriend.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Okay. আপনার জন্য নেক্সট কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে, how long do you stay there?
Yeah, this is a really good question.
Okay.
And when I go to a restaurant,
Yeah.
I try to spend at least 1 hour or 2 hours that restaurant. Because you know, when I go that restaurant with my girlfriend, I had to so much time there. I had to spend.
Okay.
And that's why.
Okay. Next হচ্ছে, what are the specialties of that restaurant?
Yeah, that place has a number of specialties.
Okay.
For example, there is beautiful, colorful, well decorated,
Okay.
famous and expensive,
Okay.
good environment, and finally inside the restaurant is amazing. When I go to that restaurant and when I enter the inside the restaurant, when I go inside the restaurant, and this is so much colorful, I can't forget it, bro.
Okay.
I can't forget it. That's why I try to go there at least one time in a month.
Okay, one time in a month.
Right.
Okay.
So guys, I think you have enjoyed a lot this video and you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends. You know,
Yes.
if you share it, many people can learn English easily. So you should share. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I will see you with the new topic. Take care of your health. See you next time.
Bye bye.